to the quaint little village of Keystone, South Dakota. It's right at the base of Mount Rushmore. So, as you would expect, there's mucho turisticus. Looks like there's all kind of activities for people. Helicopter tours. I think those are, I saw a 20-mile flight. They don't tell you how many minutes, 20 miles. It could be a 5-minute flight, 20 miles, or a 10-minute flight. It's a 20-mile flight. Ooh. How long is that? How long are we in the air? I have to find that road that Mitch took me on Harley biking. We went to the backside of Mount Rushmore. Well, it wasn't to the backside, it was kind of to the side of it. Hey, there's Reed Street. Hey, I got a street up here. I think I found the right line to get into. I hope so. Well, I bought the ticket to go on a chairlift up and then come on the slide down, Alpine Slide. Some kind of slide. Oh, I see, it's over there. Yeah. See those two chutes there? That ought to be fun coming back down. Oh, here comes somebody now. There he goes. At my weight, I'll be doing 180 coming around that corner. Okay, I've sat down. I put the black bar, pulled it down, and going upside the mountain now. That is gonna be fun. That Alpine Slide looks like it's gonna be a hoot and a half. They've got all kind of things going on here. There's a zip line. Oh look, monkey bar or something or other to walk on. Oh, there's a zip line there too. I might have to do that. Oh man, there's a lot more here than I expected. Turn around, see where I come from here. Oh, there's somebody. Zoom. Zoom. Yeah. Well, Keystone, South Dakota is impressing me very much. There's a lot of stuff for tourists to trade their money for experiences. They're getting a little higher. Getting a little higher. Well, here I am in Keystone, South Dakota, and I'm riding a chairlift up the mountain and gonna take an Alpine Slide down. This is gonna be fun. Bye-bye. And there they come. Well, one poor little fella or girl or whatever, I can't see from this distance, having trouble getting going. Looks like the one on the left is the best to get. Oh, the one on the right, yeah. He's moving on. I just realized I'm wearing flip-flops. I better not drop one of my flip-flops. And here they come. Here they come. Mama and baby. It's nice up here. Getting a little bit of altitude. And see, we're coming to the end up here. Trying to take that Alpine Slide and slide some. What do you want? Before or after this? Here we go. Well, here we go.
I won't crash into you, but if you're gonna go slow, do not go slow.
We're at the gate. We're lined up. We're ready to go down the hill on the slide. There's the brake, testing brake action. This is quite exciting. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Hee-hee-ha! Caution, dip ahead! Whoa. Slow, I can do slow. Downshift. Downshift, son, downshift. I wonder if I'm holding up traffic back there. Yeehaw! Sharp curve ahead. Oh, if I had done this in my youth, as a teenager, I'd be dead. Yeehaw! Right on, cowboy! I sure hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.